Dexter with his own motherfucking swag, his own style. My style from a planet, yours authentic made. I be with the renegades, you subliminate. I'm a little borny. Yeah, smoke a fat ass grams, you know how I'm born. Just drop my lady off, you know what I'm saying? Out here, yeah, Dexter. Yeah, studio. You know what fucking motherfucking cousin? What? Yeah. Yeah, that. Yeah.
Go back one more time. I just wanted to hear.
Yeah, one of them honey ain't brave, huh? One of them honey ain't brave. You niggas one of them honey ain't brave. Yeah, one of them honey ain't brave. I teach you the school. I teach you the school. I teach you the school. Look at how much they do. Am I we no fools? Am I we no fools? Never leave without the ratchet. One of them against cracking. Yeah, money I bag it. Bag it. I get the money I bag it. One of them here faggot.
That's that new shit. It's called Then Bag It. Yeah, Dexter. It's so rough in Chicago. I gotta ride like this. Oh my baby. For real. I ain't gonna lie, these my babies right here. Not the UZI. My babies. See my other. You know what's going on. It's back, I'm back. You did.
One of them ain't brave. Yeah, wait. Yeah, one of them ain't brave. One of them ain't brave. One of them ain't brave. One of them here a faggot. One of them is like I hear a faggot. Magic, magic, This bitch is giving me magic, Give me hair, she no magic. Run around and it goes fucking ass. All about me, see me on TV, Instagram, bitch, I'm potting, bitch, I'm buying, car, cash, car, in my lane, no stopping, no stopping.
Your nails got sharp, girl. Probably.
Down on the motherfucker, you dig what I'm saying? Like, I don't give a fuck, you know what I'm saying? Brad ugly ass made this beat, so see what I'm saying? Cut me up, I don't give a fuck, easy on my feet, you know what I'm saying? Candy roll low weed, yeah, bitch, yeah, Dexter. I'm talking about, like, I be getting a lot of money now, I don't be, like, caring what people say about me, you know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of niggas talk down on the motherfucker, you dig what I'm saying? Like, I don't give a fuck, you know what I'm saying? Brad ugly ass made this beat, yeah, Dexter, you know what I mean? Bitch, $25 on my neck, you know what I'm saying? I ain't had this shit last year, this shit I'm doing what the fuck I wanna do. Who the fuck are you? I'm your fault. Pullin' with your hoe. Catch us some kick in this dope, right? Yeah. I can get this dope. Never being broke. Got that one never going broke.
I need all my fans to go on my Twitter right now and tell me to drop that new shit. Like I need y'all to like flood my TL. Like drop that new shit. Go do it right now. All my fans to go tell me drop that new shit. Drop that new shit. You know I'm gonna drop it. You know I'm gonna drop it. Yeah. I just want to see if y'all fuck with it. So drop that new shit. Yeah, Dexter.
Go get it.
You know what I'm saying? Be long, dogs. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all know about that Xbox.
Oh, for sure.
Listen to
I like the TikTok. I listen to all your songs.
You already know. What's up, my nigga? Block. We saw dirty right here. Oh, you already shit. Look at dirty. Look at dirty. Hey, shit changed. Come on. What's up, big fella? What's up, baby?